Hi, I'm Carla Mitchell. I've worked in space science and technology in Africa for almost 2 decades, with a special focus on projects that bring meaningful long-term benefits to our continent. I'm passionate about using space exploration, not just as a scientific frontier, but a catalyst for innovation, education, and economic growth across Africa. My key initiative is Africa to Moon. This is an African-designed and built radio telescope to be deployed on the lunar surface. So hopefully we will be all partnering and collaborating in Africa's first space exploration mission. So International Moon Day marks the anniversary of humanity's first steps on the moon in 1969. It's celebrated annually on the 20th of July, reminding us of what's possible when we dare to dream and work together. The theme for 2025 is One Moon, One Vision, One Future, which is really aligned with how I see our future in space as Africans, and that's collaborating together. It highlights how the moon exploration fuels creativity and technology development and new solutions to our shared challenges. It's also a call to make space exploration more inclusive and to drive global collaboration. Lunar exploration, or I suppose space exploration in general, have sparked innovations that we now use in our everyday life, from satellite communications to robotics, computing and health technologies. The extreme challenges of space and the harsh space environment force us to think differently and create breakthroughs such as in the material sciences, energy systems, remote sensing, and all of these have direct applications to improve lives and enhance lives back on Earth. So Africa to Moon is a mission we began over 10 years ago with the ultimate goal of deploying 55 radio astronomy antennas on the far side of the moon to do low frequency radio astronomy, each of these representing a nation in Africa. We are currently developing the technology demonstrator. This will be made up of 3 antennas going to the near side of the moon. This will be aboard the Chungo 8 mission, and they will be deployed in 2029. So this demonstrator will perform all the functions that we hope to perform in the larger telescope. And it may well do first-time science. So we are really excited about this opportunity as we embark on Africa's first space exploration mission. All of the instrumentation designed and developed by Africans, and a real opportunity for us to collaborate with one another and to inspire and educate and pave a new road forward. I firmly believe that success depends on collaboration. Governments invest in policy and infrastructure. Industry partners can co-develop technologies, sponsor innovation, and really drive finding solutions to our challenges. Universities and research institutions contribute knowledge and talent. And the public, especially young people, can engage through education, outreach, and citizen science. Everyone has a role to play in shaping Africa's future. The moon, it's more than a destination, it's a stepping stone. It can serve as a testbed for new technologies, a launch pad for deeper space missions, and a potential source of resources like water ice or rare minerals. As we prepare for human presence off Earth, the moon becomes a critical hub for innovation and international collaboration. Africa's greatest challenge can be met with space-based solutions. Space technologies and space sciences contribute in one way or another towards the solutions of all 17 of the Sustainable Development Goals. Satellites already help us to monitor drought, deforestation, crop health, and we can monitor these in real time. By participating in lunar missions, Africa can build technical capacity to design observing systems tailored to our needs, and we use these to strengthen food security, disaster responses, water resource management, etc. from orbit. So space is intricately woven into our future and our sustainability. Well, I think it's important to make space relatable and exciting to young people. We hope that Africa to Moon will show the youth across Africa that, you know, if you can dream it, you can do it. Schools can host moon-themed science fairs and hackathons, storytelling, art projects. Universities can run design challenges that are linked to real moon missions. And space institutions can either create or further develop their mentorship programs, online courses, internships. As an aside to Africa to Moon, we are developing an online space course that we would like to make freely available to the youth across Africa. Importantly, we must tell African stories of space, because when young people see themselves in space, they believe that they can belong there.